guys, my name is Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you a quick photo restoration in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, let's start. I have opened my image. I took this image about 2 months ago in my studio and I had no time to retouch any of my images from that session. So I will do it today with you. Now, by default, I have only one layer, background layer, and this layer is locked. As you can see, guys, we can see part of our ceiling, part of our wall, and part of our backdrop. We can fix it in a few ways. One way is simply crop this area. But what if your client specified that you cannot affect any pixel in your image, so you cannot resize your image? We can fix it in this case too. What we will do, first of all, I will unlock my background layer. Simply click on lock icon and voila. I will switch to the move tool just like that, and I will drag top corner out of my image just like this, and I will click OK to accept all changes. If you would like to crop unwanted areas, simply switch to crop tool just like that, specify delete cropped pixels and click OK, and voila. Now I will duplicate this layer just to show to you before and after, and I will launch camera raw filter, my favorite filter in Adobe Photoshop, be honest with you. First of all, I need to fix white balance in my image. I will switch to white balance tool just like that, and I will click on any gray area in my image just like this. Perfect. I will increase exposure. I will increase contrast slightly, guys. I will move black sliders to the left. Same with shadow slider. Same with highlights. Guys, first of all, I would like to point out, don't try to make a very dramatic change before and after in your image. Try to improve in a more natural way. So be careful with your post-production. Post-production is supposed to be improving your image, not reconstructing your image. I will switch to a tone curve workspace. I will move shadow slider slightly to the left, about minus 18. I will move darks slider to the right, and I will switch to detail workspace. Here, guys, I will use noise reduction area to eliminate any noise in my image. But as I said just a few seconds ago, I will not dramatically show before and after changes. It's completely not necessary. If I will move all my sliders all the way to the right, I will wash out all details in my image. To preserve all details in my image but eliminate unwanted noises, I simply will move luminance slider slightly to the right. Same with contrast and color, just like this. Let me click OK and show to you before and after so far. This is before, this is after. Let me zoom in my image. So this is before, this is after. I love after, but for my taste, his face in a shadow more than I wanted. We will fix it. I will duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after. I will launch camera raw filter one more time, not the last time today. I will switch to radial filter. First of all, let me zoom in my image just like that. I will switch to radial filter and I will apply radial filter above around his face. I can move this filter in a way I like at any place in my image. But today I would like to position it on top of his face, and I will move exposure slider slightly, guys, slightly to the right, and I will click OK. And this is before, this is after. Look at this. Now I will zoom in my image. I will switch to spot healing brush tool, and using this tool I will remove some blemishes out of his face. Guys, keep in mind that today we are not working on a beauty retouching or portrait retouching. We are working on a ballet dancer image retouching. So we will not pay a lot of attention to his face because it's not necessary. Just like this, look at this. And I'm pretty happy with part of this image. Let me show to you before and after, or before and after. Huge changes. Before switching to any other tool, I would like to fix a part of his vest. Using same tool, I will massage area in his vest. I would like to improve just like this, and voila. Look at this, guys, how easy is it? We don't need to switch to many different tools to fix some not perfections out of his vest. It's super easy, just like this. Now I would like to fix hot spots over his shoes using same spot healing brush tool. I will increase size of my brush. I will paint out these hot spots out of his shoes. Look look at this. This is before, this is after. How awesome is it? Now I would like to fix all wrinkles from his outfit, and I will start with his jacket. I will launch a liquify filter. I will zoom into the area I would like to improve, just like this, maybe more. And guys, I will switch to forward warp tool. I will increase brush size, just like that, and I will push inside this parts of his jacket, just like this. Let me zoom out. Much better, right, guys? And also I would like to fix this part of his socks. I will switch back to warp tool. I will bring size of my warp tool down, just like that, and I will push it in. And same here, I will push it up, just like this, guys. Nothing is too complicated. I will click OK, and I will show to you before and after. Look at this, guys. How awesome is it? Now I would like to fix wrinkles on his pants, just like that. What I will do, guys, I can remove all wrinkles out of his outfit completely, but to stay in more natural way, I will illuminate his all these wrinkles on his outfit, but I will not remove them completely. First of all, I will switch to patch tool, and I will select part of his outfit here, and I will move my selection down to the area without any wrinkles, just like this. Without deselecting my selection, guys, I will repeat myself. Without deselecting my selection, I will click on edit menu, and I will click on fade patch selection. And here, guys, I will bring opacity of my selection down about 78, and I will click OK. Now let me show to you before and after. Much nicer, but we not removed all wrinkles completely. We stayed in more natural way. Same with this area. I will select it just like this, and I will move it down. Without deselecting my selection, I will click on fade patch selection, and I will bring opacity down, just like that, and I will click OK. Look at this, guys. How awesome is it? Let me show to you before and after so far. So, guys, Now you can say, I'm done. I'm pretty much happy with this image. I'm happy with everything. I can save this image. I can send this image to my client, or I can upload this image to my portfolio, my social media. You can do anything you like. Or you can add a few more steps to your image to bring it to completely another artistic level. I will show to you how. You can convert your image to black and white, and we have a few ways of converting our image to black and white. If you would like, I can record specific tutorial about how you can convert your image to black and white. We have a few different ways. Just let me know in the comments below, and I will record this video for you. Today we will do something different. I will open my Creative Cloud library with all my images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock. You can use any image you like. I will click on this image and I will drag this image into my document. I will resize it. You can resize it in a way you like. You can position the image in a way you like, just like that, and I will click OK. Now I have my smoke image on top of my dancer image. In our latest Photoshop version, we have ability to preview blend modes in real time. We will do it right now with you guys. Let's see what blend mode I prefer. I think I will like screen. Yes, screen blend mode is perfect for this image. I can bring down opacity of this layer just like this, and voila, guys, we are done. We applied just one extra step to convert our image to something more artistic. Maybe I will bring down opacity of this layer more, just like this. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this, guys. It's artistic. It's so beautiful. It's so elegant. But if you would like to have your smoke in black and white, we can do it as well. I will click and launch my adjustment panel. I will click on black and white adjustment. Guys, I am applying adjustment as separate layer because I don't want to apply changes permanently to my image. So using adjustment as separate layer, I can adjust my adjustment layer, delete, or do whatever I want with this adjustment layer at any time later on. First of all, I would like to ask Photoshop to apply this adjustment only to my layer below my adjustment layer, only to my smoke layer, not to my dancer layer. In Properties panel, I will click on Add Clipping Mask, and voila. Now my adjustment will be applied only to the layer below. And I can modify my adjustment directly from my properties panel. I can adjust any color. As you can see, moving sliders, applying adjustment to separate colors in our image. So I like it like this. Now guys, I can say we are done. So guys, you can see how easy you can improve your image in Adobe Photoshop in just under 10-15 minutes. If you will ask me, can we remove all wrinkles out of his vest and outfit? Yes guys, we can, but we need to spend a lot of more time doing this. And if you would like to remove completely all wrinkles out of his outfit, you need to use frequency separation method, and I have separate tutorial about how you can do it. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Again, if you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. I love your questions. If you would like me to record some specific tutorial, again, let me know. Thank you guys so much for being with me. I'm super appreciative of your time. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your support. And I will see you later. Thank you guys. Bye.